So we have this Samsung model refrigerator that has these door handles that don't have a way to take them off like all the other Samsung refrigerators. This is where I broke it, trying to figure out if there was a way. And it is a very large fridge, and we needed to get it out our front door. So we found out the only way is to take the doors off, which is a process because you have to unplug all the things that are attached to the door. Like this. Fun stuff. And the one thing that was a little bit easier is the freezer has this little thing here that you can just pop off. Easy as pie. You can just pop off. Well, anyway, it pops off. And there are some screws underneath, which you take apart. And then you can take the handle out. Thank you. So you take these screws out, right here and here, on either side. And then these little plastic pieces have to come out too. And this part, you have to push forward and put one of the screws in there so that you can pop the handle up and out. Yeah, so you would put one of these screws and you take it out into here to keep this back so you can pop the handle out. And the handle just pops up and out. So that's how you take the handle off. That way you can get through the door. But you do have to take the actual doors off of the refrigerator. So we figured somebody else can benefit from this because we did a whole lot of things prior to in order to get the refrigerator out that we didn't end up being able to use and ended up having to take the doors off anyway.